Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today, as you saw in the title, today I'll be showing you a viral video that has been going around Twitter. There's this beautiful girl that used eyeshadow, basically a synthetic hard looking rubbish eyeshadow, basically turned it into a beautiful fluffy mink lashes. And this video was a hack, a makeup hack. I was like, wow, I am impressed and I would love to try this hack and see if it's a hack or a whack. So there are a couple of two videos I saw on YouTube and it's not a hack, it's a whack. Today I will be showing you two different affordable eyelashes. This I bought off eBay, very affordable. It comes in 5 pairs and as you already can see, I've used 2 of them. And we've got the Adele Glamour. I bought it from my beauty supply shop and it's not that affordable. This is £2.99 British pounds sterling, which is almost £4.50 US dollars. Obviously and these are not the original Adele Glamour eyelashes. I think it's you know what the beauty supply shop is all about, especially the ones that you walk into. If you want to get the real Adele eyelashes, you have to go to Superdrug or Boots if you live in the UK. That's if you reside in the UK. That's when you get the real Adele eyelashes. But these ones are the fake ones. But I just wanted to use this. Look at how stiff these lashes looks like. And look at how fluffy these lashes look like. So I'm going to try and change these stiff fake Adele lashes into these nice fluffy look-alike mink lashes. These are not real mink, by the way. I do have real mink lashes, which is really fuller, and how I got these looking fuller sort of mink lashes look. I know a lot of viewers, as you can see, these are the Adele looking mink lashes and these look really fake, stiff, unattractive, very cheap as compared to these. These are sort of mink looking lashes, but they are not real mink. So all you need is a mascara wand, whichever you want to call it. Spoolie. Eyebrow wand. I call this my eyebrow wand. And what this person was doing was going over like this. Oh my gosh, it actually really works. So there are so many cheap fake eyelashes I've got at home, and I am going to turn them all into mink lashes. This hack actually really works and I'm impressed. I'm really impressed, like seriously. I never thought this was going to work. That's why I really went out there to the hair shop, beauty supply shop, to basically purchase this stiff looking fake looking Adele. Oh my days, oh my lashes are going to be turned into mink lashes now. Can you see the difference? I can. What about you? That's all she was doing. That is all she was doing, viewers. That is all the person was doing. Look at the difference. This looks really natural mink, very natural, that can even pass your own lashes. And this looks like really stuck together, synthetic looking, black, nothing mink. OMG, I am impressed. I am impressed. So now let's change the upper part into mink looking lashes as well. So viewers, both of these fake looking synthetic Adele lashes, they both look natural looking mink lashes. I am really impressed. And as I initially stated, there is no point coming on camera to show already mink looking lashes like this. These sort of lashes, I've seen it flying around YouTube, people trying to make this look like mink when it already has that mink effect. And now I had to go outside, purchase the stiff looking fake Eyelash lashes, and now I've transformed this into an amazing natural looking mink. This is how it looks like when you apply it on. So viewers, this is the end result of my, is it a hack or is it a whack? I say it's a hack. What do you? If you're new to my channel, welcome. My old channel was actually deleted and it was called Ativelt Manson, and this is my new channel. My old channel, point of correction, yeah, deleted, suspended, is all the same because it's nowhere to be found on YouTube. And I had to start all over again. If you like what you see, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to click the bell next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Do not forget to comment, like, let me know what you think about this hack. If you'd like to see this makeup look as well, check out my channel or check the description box down below. Makeup tutorial will be up. Also, if you'd like to see or know about this hair, still watch the makeup tutorial because it's a 2-in-1 video, hair / makeup tutorial. Have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, whichever country you're from. Do not forget to comment, like, share, and I'll see you viewers in my next. Have a happy Easter weekend. Bye.